How to get better eyesight, top 5 tips. The leading cause of eyesight deterioration is overstrained eye muscles, because people can stare at a screen for a long time without conscious rest. Static work of the eyes is the strain of eye muscles. The retina gets tired and eyesight decreases. When, for example, we walk on the street and do not look at our phones, our eyes get rest and accommodation of the eyes is working without glasses. Regular walking in the fresh air is a comfortable environment for the eyes and training of various eye functions, such as focusing on different distances. First thing, to get better eyesight, we need to give our eyes rest periods. For example, we look at a phone for 1 minute and then 10 seconds looking somewhere else, far for our eyes to focus at a different distance. This must be implemented as a habit to get better eyesight. Even small rest can tremendously reduce eye strain. Second, we need to learn soft blinking every second during screen time at least. Better to blink always, it helps to focus and gives the eyes a rest. It's like our heart, for example. It's work than micro relaxation. Eyes can work much longer and do not get tired if we blink often. Third, if you already got a spasm of accommodation, which is myopia or hyperopia, you need to come out of the spasm to renew the ability of the eyes to focus. You can listen to meditation for facial muscle relaxation to learn to relax your facial muscles and eye muscles. Fourth, you can find on my channel the 3 best exercises for myopia or the 3 best exercises for hyperopia to learn to stretch spasmodic eye muscles. As soon your eye muscle will come out of a spasmodic state, your eyes will be able to focus far or near, no more than 1 repetition of each eye exercises. If you want a more in-depth step-by-step proven course, join Eyesight Academy to improve your eyesight naturally, remove spectacles and get rid of myopia, astigmatism or hyperopia. The link will be in the description below. Fifth, you need to draw on a wall a circle around 1 to 2 meters in diameter, so you can look around the contour of the circle 1 repetition on each side to stabilize your eye muscles. You can find the video on my channel about this exercise.